right, so this is a product from Magic Wand that we've been using. You can use it as a general purpose deodorizer. You can run it through your rinse. You can use it as a topical. You can add it to your pre-spray. Man, this stuff smells amazing. We get so many compliments on the odor. So one thing about the fragrance from this stuff too, a lot of these deodorizers that have a fragrance, you know, they dissipate relatively quickly. This is an oil-based perfume that's in here. So, I mean, this fragrance lasts and lasts and lasts. We have clients that, like at restaurants that we clean, and they come in each morning and they say every morning they come back in, they still smell this fragrance strong throughout, and it smells lovely. They get a lot of compliments from customers. It's just an all-around great product. We love it. So something to check out if y'all are looking for something that smells good and it just has a lot of versatility.